Hi guys, welcome back, and we are as excited as always. And just a few moments ago, we talked about personal credit cards and the things that we can recommend, or good options rather. And so that's the individual side. And now we want to switch gears to the business side. What are the benefits of having business credit cards, and how it helps grow your business, and how it affects your business in the future, in the long run, and what really the benefits that it has as a business or for yourself as an individual. So Venkat, you want to get an opening as to what are the business cards and the benefits and pros and cons, interest rate, that cashback options if you have, and because those are the ones that if someone wants to go for a credit card, right? Those are the things that people usually look for. But any with regard to those or any additional points that you can share with us.
Sure, yeah, definitely. So before we jump into that one, like I want to kind of go backwards a little bit and like say for example, you don't have a LLC, you don't have limited liability company,
Hmm.
you don't have S corp, C corp, you haven't registered your business. That's fine. Don't it still applies to you as long as you are a sole proprietor. You're
Hmm.
selling mom and pop shop. You're doing
Yeah.
some flea market in the weekend, or you're doing like side hustles, maybe mowing the lawns every month, several people, and getting some cash, right? That's your business. It's a small scale. Think about Amazon started in the garage, right? They were doing it in the garage, and Apple started in the garage. So
Yeah.
everything starts small, and it's you're still a business, right? You need to consider as a business. Then only you will grow, and the main criteria for that is a business credit. Like you need to have a business credit established, just like how we all have a credit, right? Personal credit. We are building from maybe in year 21, or even if you're 13 or something, you can add it, your parents can add you. So all these things, it builds up your personal credit. But when you have a business, there's no credit for that.
Hmm.
So even as a sole proprietor, so your business is kind of your name is your business, right? If you are a sole
If you're a sole
proprietor.
prop, yeah.
Yeah, and if you're LLC, you might have some LLC registered in some state, or all those things, right? So what you have to do is just go to some of the company that we are going to talk about, bank cards, right? I did a lot of research and I applied for these things. I've been using it for almost several years, 3-4 years, these cards, and those were really gave me a lot of benefits. And my credit history, business credit history, right now it's actually good. I can see it. Right? I can go to Dun and Bradstreet
Hmm.
or Equifax business side of it. Just like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion on the personal side, they do have a business side
Business side as
credit reports that you can pull out.
well. So they even have credit scores for your LLC.
Right, right. Because they can actually lend you money to your LLC, right? Say you wanted $100,000, you're trying to open you want to expand your business, right? You can get loan, not in your personal personal credit history, but
Hmm.
through your business credit history, right? If
Okay.
you're doing good with the business,
Hmm.
you might be filing taxes, right? Schedule, like you add the additional schedule to your
Right.
tax returns. Those are like a business. Everybody can see it, and they can actually, add to your business credit report. In addition to that, right? So your score, there is a score for that also, and also it says A plus, A minus, B plus, all these things.
Right.
How much you can pay it back, how quickly you can pay it back, all this criteria is in there, right? So let's jump in, and I did a lot of research. Like I said, I have a notebook here. I wrote it down. What are the different cards I should apply, and applied, and then it worked out much better for me. So the first one I applied was the Bank of America Business Advantage travel cards. There's something like a business. It's a business card. It's from Bank of America, and Business Advantage travel rewards. It's actually there's no foreign transaction fee. It's accepted worldwide, and I got, like, when you apply, there's a lot of benefits. 0% APR for 15 months or 12 months, I don't remember. And also you get thousand. Yeah, I think you if you spend $1,000, you get to 25,000 points. That's around $250. So if you
$250
spend $1,000 within 3 months,
within 3 months. Okay.
yeah, within 3 months, you get like 25. These things varies. These benefits vary. So you just have to look for
Yeah.
what are the benefits right now they have. But it's a really good deal. Like you get $250 back
That's pretty
for
good.
$1,000 you spend, right?
Yeah.
And so it's a really good one.
You can actually use that 250 to pay it back. Pay
Right,
that
right.
1,000 you spent.
Yeah, and because I flew, I actually booked some tickets. I
Uh,
flew, and that ticket itself was cost very less, and I got more, almost, uh, 30-40% back on
so
that.
this is specifically for travel, or can you use it for other?
This can be used anywhere. It does have like a 1 or 2% cashback, and also the business side of it, you can use it for business. Like I want to keep all my business expenses separate, right? That's another thing. Like you don't commingle, right? Commingling your personal stuff, finance versus the business. Use your business credit card only for the business purposes. If
Hmm.
you're buying and selling, just use that.
And
Only.
also, for a fact, IRS doesn't like when people commingle funds for various reasons. I think one of the things is there's much security on so the consumer side. There's a lot of security for consumer side, and if you're business, there's less security, or vice versa. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. There's something like that. Anyway, IRS doesn't like commingle, and it can also be used for money laundering
Right.
purposes too. So just
Yeah, that's right. Also, it's not good for you. Like you want to keep them separate. Treat like I said, treat the business as a business and
yeah.
treat your personal
So
stuff.
you can track easily.
Right.
You know, what is your individual income, what is your business income, and all that.
Exactly. Right. And the next one that I applied was a Chase Inc. Business credit card. Right. That one also got like I got $300 back if you spend $3,000. No. Actually, I got like $5,000. You spend $500 back.
Hmm.
So that was also a great deal. I had to buy something for my business. It's more than like $5,000, so I just applied for it. I got $500 back. So it was really good deal for me, and also I use this for different purposes. These cards,
All right.
and I applied at different interval. I didn't apply like right away,
Hmm.
and because of all these things, the business credit went up.
Right.
And the third one I applied was the American Express Simply Cash business card. And that is also like that gave me like 15 months, 0% APR for purchases. And also some cash back if you spend, I don't remember, but if you spend like $2,000, you get like $300 back or something like that, right?
Hmm.
So it's around 10% back. So that was also a good deal. And on top of that, if you don't pay, like if you are buying, let's say I got like $20,000 credit limit, so I spend like more than that, right? Let's say I bought for $30,000, they will approve it. So there
Hmm.
is no penalty for that if you go
Penalty for that. Okay.
uh,
Maybe it varies from card to card.
yeah, only this one I'm talking about, American
The card
Express.
that we're talking right now is Express. Is that
American Express Simply Cash. Yeah, there is a name for it, but it's Simply Cash
okay?
business credit card.
Okay. Okay.
So that's also another, like in the other videos that we mentioned about American Express benefits, still applies to here. Same thing with the Chase, same thing with the Bank of America. The benefits comes with it, right? The fourth one is the City Business Costco credit card.
Hmm.
So if you have a Costco membership, actually I have a,
Executive,
sorry, what's that?
Costco executive membership.
Yeah. I think you have to be an executive member to get this thing. But it's a cost. It's called City Business Costco
Hmm.
Anywhere Costco credit card, right? It's the same exact format as the personal one. Personal, they have a cost City Costco Anywhere. credit card. It's the same thing, but it's for your business. And I actually got double credit limit on that in the business side. They always give you double more. So it's actually good for you. And I actually switch around. I use, if for example, I have something related to business, I think I buy and sell. I buy from Costco and sell. We can talk about that in later videos. So there you can buy when there is a sale going on in Costco, like $10, $20 off some items. You can just buy them like 10, 20 of them and just sell it and easily make $100, $200 profit. That's another thing you can do. But for that purposes, you can use that Citi business card. Also, if you have some other business going on and you're buying in bulk, you just use that, right? It helps to, it has all the benefits that we talked about in the personal Citi card. On top of additional benefits, there are more additional benefits with this thing.
All right.
I guess, yeah, we covered almost all the one that I have, I experienced.
Fantastic. And guys, again, this is we're talking about business cards, and whether it's business or personal, I think one of the key things, one of the common things that you might want to consider is a point system, right? Or sign up bonuses, 0% APR for a particular period of time. Like I said, cash back, or the probably annual fee too. Sometimes certain cards waive
Right.
that thing off.
None of them got an annual fee. And also,
Oh, that's great.
Something called credit card churning. Like we will talk about it in the future video. This is going to be, people make money out of credit card. It's people also lose money from the credit card using credit card. So you have to be on the other side, the good side of it. Make more
That's
money.
exactly right. And something that I shared when we were talking about the personal credit card is like, this can either make or break you. So you gotta be smart when you're using it, and take a good amount of time to research, like he said, like Venkat has done, and use it wisely. And because this can easily break you too. So if you have any questions, feel free to share. Feel free to ask those questions, and we'll be right back with you. Unless you have any final touch-up points, Venkat, it's goodbye from us.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, talk to you guys later. Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.